BNTouch offers a robust, customizable online 1003 form for loan applications. You can set up your account's 1003 form to include exactly what you want, allowing you to have a form configured to best support your business needs. Each user in your CRM will have a permanent, unique 1003 form web page that they can send to clients, complete with their own user information and branding. You can access these user-specific 1003 forms in the User menu in the upper right corner of the screen by clicking Administration, then opening the 1003 tab. Only administrative users can access this area of the CRM. Please contact your administrator if you need help and do not have access. Here, you'll see a list of all users for your BNTouch account sorted by name. For each user, the status of their 1003 form and a permanent link to that user's form will be listed to the right. The URL of this link will stay consistent for that user even if you change the form or they customize their user information, so you can copy and share it as need be. Master account users can customize the content and appearance of their 1003 forms for their account in the Options tab by clicking the 1003 link. If you want to learn more about the options available when editing 1003 loan application forms and how to set up forms for your users, hover over the video icon in the upper right corner of the screen of this page. The 1003 form topical training video here explains how to change what appears on the form, what comments and notes are included with it, and the theme of the page it displays on.